Kubli pi baro ka thup khubor jongi ka DBMN TV. Kimat ki bakong san menta ka singi kilong. Kener ka seat eki kti jingya rap shiki khna school badung. Lapriang buro mi kirang ale kai Santos Trophy. Sedang telun ki kam ka yeng dor bar bathamai. Ban amdan jing bakla ha ka jing nyau ya ki vote na melim. Temantai ne phaj ki khubor ki bakhamria. Hakahandriu turik Lber ka Society for Empowerment, Education and Development seat kala penlo yang kajing sam a ki copy hadon Bosco Youth Center la jumkhra. Kajing thmu jogane ka organization kalong ban lum yaki copy ki badang la ban pendon kam ban lait na kajing pensep a khnang ban la ban sam shiki khna ki baduk bakardo. Hakate program u Dr. Santa Ram Joshi HOD Biotechnology nehu ulalong kongsan ba ulabatai halor kajing thmu jongkane ka program. Ulong ba ladala ban kener ya kiti jingerap shikitu ki khna ki badan kam ban yo ya ki tiar puli jengki kalong ka ek ba pen kemen ya baro bar hakaju ka por ka plela ya ki ban yo ya ki jingdan kam ha ki jing puli jengki ulakan tu ya baro ki bawan shakani ka jingelang banlong ki bakunai bat kiar na ki jing pen serwai ki mar ki mata na mar ki don 4000 ngot ki khna ki ba amdan lat ban thiet ki tiar puli na mar ka jing duk jing kerdu Ulakan turu banam penserwa e kapor, namar kapor kalong ka bakordor hakajing imjung wei pa uwei ubriu hakani ka perthai. Hakani ka jingalang lawan shimbantar ki khna school bat kinong hikai na keleng ki school ka sor Shillong. Ka president jaka seat Roshni Subak la kalaong ba kani ka jing penlong e kani ka program kadi ka sien ka baningkong ban kaner ki kti jingerap shaki khna school ki baduk hakani ka nong ba. Lai kini ki kopi badang la ban pendan kam shiki school khnang bakin la ban sam shiki khna school ki ba wan na kilong yeng long sam ki baduk ki bakardu.
SEAT is an NGO which we started in 2017, quite a young NGO with very few members, and we are working on education. Our first project we started during COVID time, where we had given free online education to the rural students. And the very good thing about the project that time, giving online education, was we had live audio classes, and we could reach the rural areas, the children, without any internet. We had the Zoom classes, but it was an interactive live classes without any internet. We could reach out to the children, and that I hope that and I'm sure that SEAT helped the children during that time, and we feel very happy that we could do something constructive. As the time passed by, we also started indulging ourselves and working on substance abuse, which we feel that is the need of an hour, as we feel that the youths are getting involved in substance, and we have held seminars, and not exactly, it wasn't a seminar, but an awareness program in schools by our resource person, Dr. Sharma, a senior consultant psychiatrist from Supercare. Apart from that, our ongoing project has been collecting old textbooks from MBO's board, and we help the underprivileged children by giving them free used textbooks that we collect. The banner that you see and the program that we held today was, we have named the project as The Joy of Giving, where we have distributed a notebook to the less privileged children. And for this, we had made containers. We have collected, we had requested some of the schools to keep our containers where the children could deposit the unused pages. It could be one, it could be two, because we thought that at the end of the academic year, children have their copies where a lot of unused pages are left, so they could just keep deposit those unused pages, and so we we have rebinded the books, and we could have 2,500 books this time. Today in the program we had invited 15 schools, and we are sending more than 300 books to Ribhoi, some of the villages, and also to Juai. And through this program, I even urge, the residents of Shillong to please, contact us I shall be giving you the phone number with the unused pages so that we all will, contribute in the project, and we will be hand to hand working to help the society at a larger scale. And also at the same time, I would be giving the number 89740 71477. You can have this number, you can call this number, and then ask us to collect the notebooks. SEED has its office at Fire Brigade. It is just opposite Mission Netralaya at Rinky's guest house. So you can also come there and with your papers and then deposit it to us. So these are very small things that we do, and we really hope that people around, whoever has come to know about the project, will definitely come forward and help us. Thank you.
Kirangnya lekai football Santos Trophy jong ke Jylla kilawan pai hadin ba kila poi ka final hakate ke jingya kop ba kila ya kendu persya ke Jylla Karnataka haka jingya kun final ke bala long hanong ba Riyadh Saudi Arabia haka South Africa Lber ka kenhon na lekai na Meghalaya kala sya penliam no haka kenhon Karnataka da ka laila argol haka jingya kun ke bala long ke ba itnat bar ke bala penyap bi ya baro kitu ki ba pet ya kan ni ke final. Khasi Students Union KSU, barka Federation of Khasi Jantia Garo People FKJGP, kila priang burom ya kanika kunhun, haba kala poi chanong ba Shillong haka Rio Tarik Lber hamaulai petrol pump.
Nasi ka long ke igi ke basong komen, ba ni kam semula poi berkat, ba ingin yo priang burom ni. Nasi ka objektif jongi hi badi bangin job hari ni kamla ban job ya ka final. Nasi ka tim borok we naru bangi mi na Saudi Arabia ngi asosi sisian re ondang ila poi ha Mumbai ngi kenu yaki nongilam jong ka KSU kila ongi bangin sadon ka ceremony nadu mene na po jerobat ki dekot jong ka FKGP kila wan ban IMC mingi dan hanong po ki KSU dan mene ha po moyong ka HYC dan mentah ni ka KSU berka FGP. Lesi kini kadi ka jingle jong pi ka nang pen yo musim susu yang ni ba. Lesi next year ngin job sendon ya kani ka Santos Trophy. Ti kemudian event ong mentasi dari Khubor Sibon ya ka jing le jong pi lesi kini kadi ka jing ai musim ko crowd ya watla lesi kadi berit andre kani kadang yai ai musim ngi bangindang yai trash tom bangindang yai job ni ba Khubor Sibon.
Kayeng dorbar tauan bathamai joka Meghalaya kelas dang ban tulun ban terekam nadu mentaka sngi haba baro san pu khandangut ki MLA ki bala shem ya kajing smai ban long ki dekot bathamai ki ba ki pat ba ki la jit haka election ka bala long haka arpu nyau tarik urampang bat lapen bana pat ba haka ar tarik Lber upro tem speaker Timothy Shira ula penyat ya kanika kam ban pen smai ki dekot haka yeng dorbar Shipor ka badon halaban.
Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will effectively discharge the duty of obligation and our government.
You elected to the member of the Legislative Assembly to swear in God the pledge of faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as well as established. That will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that will faithfully discharge the duty which I will
Captain William, having been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly, do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am committed.
Kakertong juga seng VPP na Meliam constituency kakong Iban Dublin F Lingdo kaladawa na returning officer ROE's Khasi Hills banyaw biang yaki vote na Meliam constituency na markalaong ba kadon ka jingbam biang haka jingyaw yaki vote na kanika constituency. Kakong Iban Dublin kala syarem ha ukertong ka seng Congress uba Ronnie V Lingdo. Returning Officer SC Sadhu ulabatai ba kamdan satya ka jing bakala ha ka jing nyaw ki vote nakani ka constituency. Ka kong ai bandablen rengkat berkinong kershan jong ka balayalam do Dr. Ricky Singkon Secretary ka VPP kila pediang ai kanika jing batai jong URO bar ka kam kalakut kumbalapan benanong job ha ka arterik Lber na Miliam constituency.
Wait ki bakmi the election but nakaliang gajongki sila ahi kicing syai pensyai lot ki mat ki bangi ya ujor but nakaliang ke party di yang di kicing pensyai gajongki but kum ke party lu nindang sim lai sim ki siar rai dari lipat kilat ini ada dari lipat ini ya ke ba besar ini pedang ini kita besar itu lipat ke besar pasti kita akan session basic ini pada itu ini halor ke besar itu kan dan katukat ni kiba ini berkat yang pasti kalian ini tangkuntahi jangan tahu lepas sekali baru ni squad ban bisa si pada nama kadon ke citizen ni kuat bor mo kan itu dan ini andai kamban kata ama ni isu dawa baik ke hok ke jongi ya abang siam bakadon ke nu ke ji pom i baik ke pom i nanti nolor kata kamdon ke kata ji kuat bor kata ki mat ki bang dawa di awak begitu hi kena pensah di dan ada sikit pada kita ni kompati pada in saya shimiki ke bahai nase kibai parti nanti tangi tahi
Menteri Rangba Aban Shillong ukonrat ke sangma ulalet IT seulat pagu chohan ki kerteng jeki sau pusan ngut ki MLE ki balarai ban kershan ki NPP ban thau ya ka sarkar bathamai ya ka bala penbena bakan shims ma ka nyau teri Lber hanong ba Shillong ki kerteng jeki seng ki long NPP arbun reungut UDP kharwengut BJP arngut HSPDP arngut PDF arngut but independent arngut Kaliang persya kadon khat sangut ki bakan thup ya ka Congress sangut AITC sangut bat VPP sangut lakmi lenti ba ulat unsa khod yu konrat ki sangma ban thau ya ka sarkar bathamai
सर ये मेरे दो और पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज कुल मिलाकर 13 एमएलएस 11 यूडीपी से और 2 पीडीएफ से इनका सपोर्ट लेटर आ गया सर तो अभी कुल मिला के 32,032 था 32 और फिर ये 13 लेके 45 अभी हो गया सर तो ये इनके सपोर्ट लेटर्स भी मैं देने आया सर आप बैठिए सर आप बैठिए सर
Menteri Rangba Aban Shillong ukonrat ke sangma ulapan benai ka kerteng jaka sarkar bathamai daka Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 MDA2 namar ki ju ki paralok ki lane bat yai beteng ka sarkar kumba kalong ki san senam balala ulapan benaru bakani ka sarkar bathamai kandon khat arngut ki khot jangka kenhon menteri ulabatai bat saungut ki long na kilom garo kenthop yu Menteri Rangba ukonrat ke sangma bat prangut kin long na kilom khasi bat jantia Kiseng san hima ki bayo Menteri Kilong, NPP prangut, UDP arngut, BJP iway, but HSPDP iway.
And the first decision that was taken in the meeting was to call this alliance as the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2, as 2.0, sorry, which is the second part of the first MDA alliance. So all unanimously agreed that we should call this the MDA 2. As the partners are the same. And the second resolution we took was that we have decided to also elect the chairman as the chief minister will be the chairman of the MDA2, and that is Conrad Sangma will be the chairman of that. Also we have also decided that in the cabinet out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasinews Hills region. So this were the this decision, of course, was one will go to the HSPDP and one will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths. And out of these 12 cabinet berths, 4 of them, including Chief Minister, will be from the Garo Hills region, and 8 of the cabinet ministers will be from the Khasinews Hills region. So this were the this decision, of course, was not taken in the MDA, but I'm just informing you about the breakup that has been worked out with all the respective partners. Also, we have passed a resolution within the party regarding the candidature for the speaker's post and the election. So the NPP has proposed name and they've entrusted me to speak to the rest of the coalition partners to formalize the name. And once I speak to the coalition partners and get their consent, we will be announcing the name of the candidate for the speaker's post.
And the speaker will be from which party?
So we'll talk.
You are not given any.
No, the PDF is not in the cabinet.
So which portfolio goes to which party?
That is decided later after the swearing-in takes place.
We have the names of the new cabinet ministers to be sworn in.
We'll tell you later in the evening. We're finalizing that part. Okay?
Common minimum program, what are the...
Yeah, so we have not decided on that. I mentioned it today. So the members have said that let the swearing-in be completed tomorrow. Then once we sit again as a MDA, then the nitty-gritties of the common minimum program and coordination committee and other aspects will all be taken up there.
Menteri Rangba ban Salong ukonrat ke sangma ya mentahi umpat pelat jenhau manu ban long u Shong Kenor lani speaker bathamai hagane ka ayom terekam sansnam bathamai joka yeng dor bar thau an ka Jylla. Empala ban tip lau ba met ba lengdo undang yai beteng ya kani ka kam ne unsiem da ka kam menteri hagane ka sorkar MDA 2. Kumba kalong menta ka sorkar MDA 2 kanne hadu bakut kisan senam banwan kum hakapor basdang juga sorkar MDA 1 hakaba u Dr. Don Kuparoy bam kuai doar uble u president ka UDP ulah terwai ka syuki menteri rangba syu konrat ke sangma MP watlada umde u MLA hagatu kapor kat bayala de ulah bad ka syuki Shong Kenor speaker ka yendor bar thauan ka Jylla ya menta hikum ni. Kami don kanu ke jing siir kitu ki babat yek syuki menteri laino tanglada kile alhia yala ka kamram kilaban syaweng ne sya penhiar syuki no. Bada kitu ki Khubor ni pois ka bakut tar hadu bangin daya sembiang Khublei Shibun.